Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a Sora 2 videos, and if you are on your PC you can do this. If you're on iOS you can do this as well. You just download the app. If you're in Google Play Store you have to pre-register, it's not there yet. If you're in US or Canada you can use, this is the link right here, you can use it on your desktop, sora.chatgpt.com/explore. And once you have your account created, right, make sure you get a code, an invite code, and then you come here, you just put in your prompt. So let's say right here, this will be your prompt. Of course, you can add different cameos, okay, of different people. I'll just use this prompt. Let's say a young man, typing on a laptop in a cozy coffee shop with sunlight coming through the window, shallow depth of, basically, it's a natural language model. You just describe to it. You can come here, you can click on this to add files, okay, media to upload, but you need to agree to the terms. Okay, this will help your generation. Basically, if you want to use someone's face, you can come here, click on settings as well. You can choose your orientation, portrait, landscape, the duration as well. Once you're happy with it, just click on this to create the video. Okay, and now Sora is at work and it will be added to the queue, as you can see, and now it is working on your video. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, so depending on the queue, it could take longer. So we'll come here, click on our profile, and we should have our draft created, right? As you can see. So let's go ahead and click on this while we wait for the video. So there we go. This is the video based on our prompt that we have. Of course, you can toggle this one off if you want the sound as well. I'll not turn this on for now because of YouTube copyright. Okay. As you can see, it works. Pretty natural looking, pretty realistic, as you can see. Exactly as we needed it from our prompt. But otherwise, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.